Ah, Lewiston, South Australia, a nice little rural area. Donyal's house offered so much promise from the street, but when I got a bit closer, I was tempted to do a runner. Luckily enough, though, I'm too lazy for that. Why exert yourself when you've got Charlie and Shayna? Shall we? I'm pleased to see the Gobi Desert has gone. In its place, a green oasis. It all looks rather grand. And the backyard is barren no more with its smart new tiles. The kids are winners too. The swamp is now a pool, and there's a fresh lawn to kick a footy. The heavy foreboding kitchen would now have Nigella swooning. And look at this. It's so delightfully modern with fabulous new timber doors. There's no denying the lounge room and study were really crying out for help. But new carpet, a fresh lick of paint has certainly done the trick. Wow, what a transformation. And by some miracle, it's not just Shayna that's worked hard on this one, it's Charlie too. This country home has got the lot. Now it's time to show it off. Of course, I'll be taking some of the credit.